All right, let's break down GitRoasted. It's this free tool that actually scores your entire GitHub profile. You might think your profile is impressive, right? But this tool puts a real number on it.
And yeah, seeing a low score can be a bit of a shock. So how is that number even calculated?
We're going to crack open the GitRoasted algorithm to see what really matters for your score.
The whole score is broken down across 8 different categories. So here's the big picture.
What's really interesting is the weighting. Some of these are way more important than others.
Here it is, the full breakdown. And trust me, not all metrics are created equal in this formula.
The most important category is impact. We're talking a massive 250 points, a full quarter of your score.
This is all about influence, the stars you get, how well your repos are documented, and fork quality.
Okay, the next biggest factor is consistency, and it accounts for a huge 200 points.
This one is all about regular activity. Daily commits are king, and yet, even one counts.
Next up are quality and community, each worth 150 points. One's about your code, the other collaboration.
And the rest? That's language diversity, your experience, recent activity, and a few little bonuses.
So knowing the algorithm is one thing, but using it to your advantage, that's the real key.
If you really want to boost your score, just focus on these 4 things. It's pretty straightforward.
It basically turns improving your profile into this super addictive game for developers.
Kind of fun, right?
Now you have the blueprint. Go on, get roasted, and see exactly where you stand.